It's how time. It's balong time tayo today mga kalods, mga ka-idol. How are you today? Kumusta naman kayo? So today's video guys ay magbabalo na naman tayo to how to fix this one balone for birthday. Ay ito guys ay for birthday to siya guys. Kaya mai-post lang natin kaya nakaraan pa tong video. So, I hope you are like it mga ka-idol. Today is vlog because we will show you how to fix the proper balloon. So, it will be nice way. It will be like that. Ang ganon. So, sana naman magustuhan ninyo mga ka-idol. Pag nagustuhan ninyo, for more tutorial, just share and like and just comment and subscribe na rin kayo mga ka-idol, mga ka-friend ko dyan. Thank you so much for the wonderful day, for every day that we have, for giving a day, for every day like this. So thank you so much for appreciating our video. Any kind of my video you are supporting. So thank you so much. That will be the this one the outcome guys. So thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood. Ayan. Para sa birthday party yan siya guys.